Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade and the Andis TS-1 17235 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. When it comes to shaving performance, both of these shavers pack a punch. The Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade features a 7D floating shaving head, which means it covers more area and saves you time. On the other side, the Andis TS-1 Pro Foil Shaver boasts ultra-thin gold titanium foils, perfect even for the most sensitive skin. So, in terms of shaving performance, both shavers are winners. It all comes down to personal preference. Are you Team Wizard or Team Silk? Now let's talk about versatility. The Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade is not just a shaver. It's a 5-in-1 grooming kit. It comes with a hair trimmer, nose hair trimmer, cleansing brush, sideburn trimmer, and even different hair trimmer combs. It's a one-stop shop for all your grooming needs. On the flip side, the Andis TS-1 Pro Foil Shaver may not have all the extra attachments, but it's a professional quality shaver that can be used on your face, neck, and hairline. So, if you're someone who likes to have all the bells and whistles, the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade might be your go-to. But if you prefer a sleek and professional experience, the Andis TS-1 Pro Foil Shaver is the way to go. Battery life, the bane of our existence. But fear not, because both of these shavers have got you covered. The Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade has a 600 mAh large capacity battery that provides 60 minutes of working time. On the other hand, the Andis TS-1 Pro Foil Shaver comes with a lithium-ion battery that delivers a whopping 2 hours of cordless runtime. So whether you need a quick shave or a marathon session, both shavers have the battery life to keep up with you. It's a tie in this category. The dreaded price tag. Let's talk about it. The Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade comes in at $73, while the Andis TS-1 Pro Foil Shaver is priced at $67. When it comes to price, it ultimately depends on your budget and what you're looking for in a shaver. Both of these options offer great value for the money, so it's a win-win situation. Based on online reviews, the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade is praised for its innovative concept, comfortable cutting system, long battery life, and reasonable price. Reviewers say it works well on both the face and body, and the interchangeable devices are a great addition to the kit. On the other hand, the Andis TS-1 Pro Foil Shaver is praised for its long battery life, great blades, and powerful motor. Reviewers mention that it provides a close shave without causing irritation or cuts. Both shavers have received positive feedback from users. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade and the Andis TS-1 Pro Foil Shaver has come to an end. Both shavers have their unique features and advantages, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us which product you prefer and why. The links to the products are in the description. Thank you for watching Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. See you next time.